Good afternoon, this is Michael Hill at the National Weather Service in Jackson. Just want to give you guys a quick briefing on the expected severe weather for late tonight and another round, a bigger round for Thursday evening. So let's hop right into it. So today we have a slight risk of severe weather from Bastrop to Yazoo City to Columbus and points northward. We have a few isolated storms that might develop later tonight. The greatest threat will be well to our north across West Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, and some of that lingering convection could make its way down into our forecast area late tonight into early Thursday morning. So damaging winds and hail will be the main threat. Most people won't see thunderstorms tonight. You might see a few of them the further north you go, but those storms should be dying as they move into the region late tonight into early Thursday morning. However, the bigger threat will be an enhanced risk for severe weather for a large portion of the area on Thursday evening through early Friday morning. So take a look at the graphic. Pick out your county, your city, and see where you are. So we have an enhanced risk. And so this enhanced risk is driven by damaging winds, okay? Damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour, large hail up to golf ball size, and a few tornadoes cannot be ruled out. The main threat will be damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour. Tornadoes will be a secondary threat, but they cannot be ruled out, okay? So damaging winds will be the main threat for our forecast area Thursday evening through early Friday morning. As you can see, the timing on the right-hand side, we expect 7 p.m. at the earliest across the western portions of the area, lingering through 1 a.m. around the Jackson metro area, anytime between 10 and 4 a.m. And you go points east 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So this is going to be a quick moving system. We expect a cluster of storms to develop and basically move across I-10, and that will be providing us damaging winds and large hail and maybe even a threat of a tornado or two in the area. So again, the damaging wind threat will be the main risk. As you can see, this is probability of severe wind within 25 miles of a point. So we're expecting winds of 58 miles an hour or greater, a 30% chance across a large portion of the area, and that hatched area means that could be up to 75 mile per hour winds in that black hatched area. So there you go. Points from Macon to Kosciuszko to Belzoni over to Bastrop. That includes all the area down through Winsboro, Port Gibson, McGee, Laurel, Meridian, Philadelphia, Jackson, Yazoo City. These all are in that black hat, so we can see a damaging wind threat across the entire portion, but the most intense wind threat could be in that black hatched area. So again, damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines, possibility of property damage and structures is possible. So have a plan for tomorrow night, especially after 6 p.m. as we start looking to the west and see how those storms develop, okay? So the tornado threat tomorrow evening as well. You can see only a 2% chance of a thunderstorm within 25 miles of a point. With that being said, that does not mean that tornadoes cannot happen. We still have a threat of the tornadoes, but they're going to be a much less of a threat. The greatest threat, again, will be those damaging winds up to 75 to 80 miles per hour. And we look at the severe hail threat, okay? This, again, is a higher than the tornado threat, okay? That red area is 30% chance of seeing severe hail across that region. That's going to be from Bastrop, Winsboro, Port Gibson, Jackson, through Vicksburg to Yazoo City, okay? So that was going to, those storms are going to kind of follow that same path where that red is, okay? So we can see hail across all the areas, but the greatest risk for seeing severe hail will be in that area in red, okay? So that means we need to be prepared and have our plans together. So we have nighttime severe weather safety. So please make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings. Charge your phones, because with that wind threat, we could see power outages. So have multiple ways to get your phone. Spread the word. Let everybody know that we could have some bumpy weather, especially tomorrow night into early Friday morning. Okay, so if we can continue to remain safe, we'll have more information for you guys tomorrow. So if you have any questions, here's our webpage Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NWS Jackson MS for more information. We'll have it to you tomorrow. Thanks.